Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, if you're new, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, I guess it's one of the ways where the company could get Usian Bolt to stop talking about him. Now, SSL is stating that they have found an account and they believe that Usain Bolt's $1 billion investment was taken by somebody on his very own team. Now, some are saying that, is this a convenient excuse? Seeing that the Minister of Finance has temporarily taken control or management control of SSL. Me couldn't hear what go continue reason. Look and listen.
Get to see the law enforcers locking off, going down, removing hard drives, removing all of the evidence that possibly still exists in any SSL system. Minister Clark, Prime Minister Holness, Minister of National Security, Police Commissioner. Why are we yet to see a breakdown, a crackdown, a lockdown of the physical infrastructure? Minister Clark, from the revelation has been made, you have taken over temporary management of the SSL. But Minister Clark, is there a reason in the timeline? Is this all orchestrated, Minister? Stocks and Security still has the other 25 to 27 billion dollars. I will ask again, Minister Clark, remember we're talking about a period of 10 years worth of fraudulent activities. Minister Clark, can you confirm, affirm, or deny if the other 8,960 accounts were not breached? Can you confirm if up to September 30th, 2022, up to January 7th, 2023, the other 25 to 27 billion dollars is still in SSL? I will ask again. You're saying we must be confident in the investigation. How are we? Remember, as a client, everybody's account is on freeze now. Nobody can get access to nothing. And I want to know, Minister Clark, those 8,009, Minister Clark, this is bordering now, on being another financial collapse similar to FinSA. What level of assurity, Minister Clark, can you give the other 8,960 holders of accounts? What level of assurity? How can you guarantee that the people's money is there? A lot of people can't sleep. A lot of people can't sleep, Minister Clark. A lot of people nervous. A lot of people on the corner of Minister Clark. Can you give that assurance? But Minister Clark, I ask those questions for this reason. We are yet to see the police. You stated, Minister Clark, that in the securities business, they still talking about securities business in terms of investment firms and capital, all of these things. You stated that there is 1.4 trillion in circulation up to September 30th, 2022 amongst the 32 securities that are included. You said there's 1.4 trillion that is in circulation, Minister Clark. You said that, Minister Clark. You said that between 32 companies. I want to ask now, Minister Clark. You went further to state of that 1.4 trillion, you stated that Stocks and Security Limited has 2%.
Now, things like this have happened to celebrities before. Is somebody on Bolt's team responsible for what going on? We don't know. But Bolt was one who said that him checked previously and the money was there. Him said this in a statement. And then when him check again, is when him realize say something take place. Now, when I say Bolt couldn't check this on him own. But Bolt is a very busy celebrity. He's also an entrepreneur, businessman. The man that work with a team. So more than likely, him team would have know say I check on him money. Him team would have know say if something happened to the money. Him would have noticed because that's something where him check up on regularly. People from him team would have know that. Especially people who are dealing with that part-time business. Is it impossible? No, we don't answer that. And one of the theory where the SSL group is putting out. Now, what do you think about the Minister of Finance taking temporary management of SSL? Seeing that there was even a late response by the state. And is this statement now, this narrative, that Bolt money was not taken by the company? Nobody would do that. The diplomat, Sir Bolt, nobody would do it. Is this in attempts to keep the company going? 27 billion remains in the company. Despite the people might think say after Bolt it go up on the media, everybody that go there want to take back their money immediately. It seems as if that was not the scenario. And it's being said that 27 billion is still in the company. And based on what we see, some wealthy celebrities and influential individuals seem to invest in the company. Them say even elected officials invest in the company. So I guess they don't want to see the company I forgot under. So they decide to them go step in and take temporary management till, them can select somebody for be, the head or the CEO or whatever the case may be. Well, this is the statement that they make. We will put your Bolt response. Bolt already has said enough, him not feel like the money I go run back. But think about it. The company is said to have 27 billion. Or just a billion them have for Bolt. But of that 27 billion, is that all clients' money? If not all clients' money and some of that money there are the company money, then we know what Bolt has said. Bolt has said the company for pay him back. And if the company have the money if it can pay him back, I know that the state has taken control of the company. Does that mean that the company will be paying back Bolt? It's going to be a good look for Bolt. Seeing that the people who have said that them don't like what go on, them respect Bolt, especially for the contributions, them for the culture, for the country, things of that nature. And if them now control the place where the situation take place, and them can rectify it, them can sort it out, Do you think that with the finance minister taking management of SSL, that means that Bolt will be getting back his money? Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you feel like, based on this now, Bolt will be getting back his money. But what does that say about the other individuals? Gene take them money while they are SSL. Will it be a situation where they might choose not to give back Bolt him money because they don't want to show favoritism? To say, alright, them give back Bolt him money, they might give back everybody else them money. And maybe that's what they might try to avoid. But seeing that Bolt has made the situation public, him company media come express what I want, him expressing frustrations. You think now them could have paid back Bolt him money without him returning to the media? Well, if them tell him don't tell the media, they don't stop talking about it. But you have other people that say want the other people when they get back for them money. And of course, Bolt say everybody forget back their money. I invest them money. Bolt not just saying forget back his money. He must say look upon what take place. Everybody forget back their money. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and first put up on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.